Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear to Te Lalpai Swaming Zibai Ule Tunkar Chung UPC North East India Kaushan Rombol Net and Sin Thar Clear in Longai Tang U. United Pentecostal Church of North East India Kumsom Sarit in Lompuinan UPC International Global Missions Director Reverend Bruce Howell Asia Komal Puim in Bialtu Regional Director Reverend Lyndon Sham Tetuan Lompuina Tuziak Citation America Atungin Kaushan Hote Anron Thon Wangwanga He Tuziak He August Som Thum Pakhat Thotan Nik Han General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo John Office Devotioner Kaushan Hote Tan Atlang Zara Tlang Tidle Multina Pentecost Kaushan Member Zongzong Te Kumsom Sarit Lin Lom Na Zibai Abu Kumsom Sarit Lin Lom Na Le Hemi Pola Souvenir Siampo April Tha General Conference a Khun Khan Takalom Na Hun Rahman Anina in Shipuileng Wangin Rahman Angin Thil Ati Theitalava General Conference po November Thato Pathiani Manga Neitura Rahman Anitangot Mayani September ni Khathole Zana Tangkhan India Marcha Khwam Chung Tual Chung Kaushan Changshanga Beirwal Thu Zirchan Le Anita Kumin Hian Chung Lam Le Pon Lam Thiang Himna Reverend Kedar Sailawizak Tu Zirtura Rahman Ania Kumdang Anga Manthe Ani Lawa Wangin Mani Tual Chung Kaushan Ten Chung Kwale Group Anga Insiam in Manirem Chandan Angin Rahman An Siam Lom Ani September ni Khata Tangkhan Zoned Rina Chanela Kaushan Program Chwa Hunchu Darkar Khatin Atul Maleta a September Thachu Hian Nitin Tlaida Rukatanga Chwak Tanin Zandar Sompakhat Atuk Jing Darli Chommadar Kwale Chonhu Dar Niate Achwak Non Chindon Ani LPS 12 Kaushan Program Kalai Ero Ahunbi Alangai Rea Nitin Tlaida nga Achwak Tana Zandar Sompakhat Atuk Jing Dar nga Chundar Sompakhat Ate Achwak Non Chinbok Kove Ramdang UPC Kaushan Hote Rongbol na Tuthara Ngai Thak Chunzomila Pacific Region Mun Changshanga Krista Chanchin Cha Rongbol na Adar Zau Megzela Shipuileng Kara Po Lalpan Ram Nei Athul Theilaba Heng Huna Te Hian Member Tharle Rongbol na report ngai nom tak tak nei ani Solomon Island August ni Somhi Pakwa Inri Khan mi Somhi Pakhan Zet Swa ngai damna baptisma changin Kaushana Senglu Anni a mi panhi in Tharau Thianglim baptisma changin Tong Tharin an Tong Hala Kaushan Thar Pakhat Din Ani to Bok Fiji Rama po August ni Somhi Parugni Laizan Khan Meiche panhi in Swa ngai damna baptisma an chang thar Timor Leste Karliam ta Khan Timor Leste ram Delhi Kaushana Loi Turin mi pathumin Swa ngai damna baptisma an chang New Caledonia August ni Somhi pathum pathian ni Khan mithar pathumin lalpai swamingin Swa ngai damna baptisma an chang Samoa August ni Somthum pathian ni Khan Pentecostals of Sinamoga Kaushana mithar pali in Tharau Thianglim dongin Swa ngai damna baptisma an chang Vanuatu August ni Sompali tangani Somparuk chunga Vanuatu UPC headquarters Port Villa a revival crusade bot sai po hloting le a Shipuileng Kara Reverend Loni Vestel to speaker atana roini in arong bolna lalpan mal asom le a crusade top jana pheichuan mi thar pasari in Swangai damna baptisma an chang ani Greece ko pui poimo Athens a mi pathumin tui baptisma le tharau baptisma an chang thara England Victoria mi panhin iswamengin baptisma an chang bok Belgium Rama mi som pathumin baptisma an chang Brazil Rama Brasilandia mi panhin baptisma an changa Mauritius Rama March tha atanga tun thlengin ni som he panhin baptisma an chang to a Venezuela Rama Rongbol tu minister za pasari ordain anni Trinidad and Tobago Rama mi som he riaten iswamengin baptisma an chang boka Botswana and Zimbabwe Rama Global Missions Anwaya missionary Reverend Michael Long le how the Rongbol na report Athlon Kopuya in Kompuye Assembly ne na mi somli parukin Tharau baptisma an changa mi somli te mi win iswang ming tromin baptisma an changbok Binga khwam hunia in khombo saya mi thar somli pariaten swangai damnan baptisma an changa mi somthum panga ten Tharau baptisma an changbok Zimbabwe capital Harare Kopuya mi somli pani ten Tharau an dong thara mi thar somli pariaten September ninga hian baptisma an changang Lupain Kwa mi somli pakhaten Tharau an dong thara mithar somrukzet mai baptisma chang turanom to a September thalai holvela hian lalpan rem ati chuan baptisma chantir anni ang District Sangshang Rongbol na chanchin tharangai thak chunjomila Lunglei District August ni somthum Pathiani Khanlunglei District UPC in Thakhat o Pathian thu zirna ane Pentecostal Bible School PBS chuan District UPC Conference Hall John Maria Graduation Day and Mang Graduation Day program hi PBS teacher Reverend C Larin tuanga chuan kai shwaya Pukpui Bel the Pastor Reverend PC Ngaglian chuan hunser mangin PBS Principal Reverend C Vanal en chuan fuina thucha asoya PBS zirlai te chu Pathian thu zir ani na angtakin annuna lang chuak se kaushan le khotlang dana tangkai takanung tura adu thu asoi PBS Registrar Pastor K Vanal Shwai chuan result puangin former PBS Principal Reverend Ralkap Kunga Khyang te chuan graduate student te degree hlanna anei zuya graduate student IO in lalmun moi chuan thu soin first year le second year zirlai te chuan graduate student te thana hlamit tuin en sabok PBS Dean Reverend PC Lalfak Oma chuan lom thu soina anei hnu in Therial Bial du Pastor Reverend Kelal chuan sang chuan tongtai na in he hun hi ati top ani loman chi sang sang sem ani a heng mi te hi loman dong tu te anni Gold medalist Reverend Zalomalate Award graduate student Zinga Tichaber Lalmun Moy Lung Moy third year Topper Upa R Subchonalate Award Kumina student Zinga Pakhatna Lalmun Moy Lung Moy third year Best character Lalian Tuanga Sesom Beng Thang third year Best promising HC Lalmun Puya Rang Tenot third year Students of the year Lalmun Moy Lung Moy third year Kuminhan graduate himi parukan ni a chung te chu lal chazwala tleo ar vanal mangai kimi tuipui di lal lian tuanga se som beng thang PC lal shiat kimi chip hir HC lal monpui rang te nord lal mun moya lung moi Kuminhan PBS a hian zirlai somni pani an oma anjinga hian longlai district atangin student pakhat atel ve bok Lunglei District UPC in Thakhat o Pathian thu zirna ane Pentecostal Bible School PBS zirlai te chuan August ni somni pakwa in Rini Khan Civil Hospital Lunglei amamo tu te man turin thisen unit som anpe PBS zirlai ten thisen anpek mahian District UPC officer PBS Dean Reverend PC Lalfak Oma chuan tongtai na ane isaka thisen hi Civil Hospital Blood Bank a kalchilin anpe ane Kuminhan PBS a hian zirlai somni pani an oma taksalama engi mohar sana nei ti lo chuan thisen hi an petheya thisen petu te hi mi pa pakwa le meichhia pakhat anni August ni somni pariat zirtomni khan theriat BLPYD te chuan District PYD Conference Rorel bo zuin Zobok local UPC Sunday School hall amamo apyang te man turin Civil Hospital Lungleitan thisen unit somni panga anpe Thisen pek mahian Zobok local Sunday School hall hian hunser toy man masakani a hehuni BLPYD President Rongbol tu Sila Zom dika chuana kai shwaya si Vanal Thanit Councillor Tobacco Control Cell hena tungin thu soingai thak ani bok hehuna hian bel du Pastor Reverend Kelal chuan sanga chuan tongtai na nein hunser amanga Dr. Lucy Blood Bank Officer Civil Hospital Lunglei hena tungin thu soingai thak ani Theriat BLPYD thisen petu te hi mi pahliran ni a thisen petur hian mi somsari chuangkal khomin Theriat Shangchal Kon Lungpui Zole Zobok local changten thisen hi anpe ani August ni somthum Pathiani Khan United Pentecostal Church ra sivenga Rongbol tu te chuan Rongbol tu ni an hmanga he Rongbol tu nui hi hun nia then ani a somhalam hi upa LH Sangluna local chairman in ka shwaya evangelist Vilal du Omabwat sai Thaler biak bukchu projector mangin zir hau ani Chonhulam hun hi evangelist Leldin Puya Sailo local secretary na ka shwai ve thunga bial tu Pastor Reverend Sila Chat Puya Bwat sai Rongbol tu mo phurna ti chu thupui then sari mangin zir hau ani a thupui tin hi soi hong hal zel ani Rasiveng UPC hian kaushan member zasari somli pasari ommekin license holder pakwa upa som senior upa pakhat le Rongbol tu som pakhat anomeka Rongbol tu ni manna hian somthum pakhat atengin somni panga antel thei ani North Mizoram District Rongbol na chanchin ngai thavele ila District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga chuan Karkalta August ni somni paruk ni lai ni khan North Mizoram District in Rongbol na beipui athak mek zinga Rongbol na mun pakhat reng deal bial New Eden atloa New Eden biak in compound na leimin omin Lungram Dantur District Superintendent hian en puya Kaushan Hauten Harsana anto chomdol nan cheng singni pek officer meeting chuan aremti ani District Superintendent hian New Eden tlopa hian khotlang tlang dunga Kaushan Shangshang kor tha biak in saklaite tuidam bek in saklai te ba ka zol nuam bek in sakmek te atlo bok North Mizoram District Literature and Publication Board Committee in Machop ane kaushan mamo mil angzela booklet kong en tu ti chwa arel chu avoi khatna atan kumin September thla hian chwa khatna ti chwa tum ane kong en tu chut khatna hian thupui pasari da ane a mipui te ta na chiar le zirman hla taktura duan ane hele khabua thupui zirtur te chu World Council Churches WCC Unique Identification Number UID Mizoram Kaushan Shroi Tu Committee MKHC Bible Society of India Bible College Pentecostal UPC Zaizia Kaushan ni phungle rongbol tu te hlutna ti te anni kong en tu booklet hi copy sanga siam tur ni in tun thla September thachung hian release hei be sei ani Literature Board hian kum sangli som ni pakhatani lai thupui zir tur ziak tu tena an zia zo to chu August ni somthum pakhat tho chan ni khan edin na an thok tana thole ni September ni khat khan an zo North Mizoram District Headquarters BL Missions Department de chuan conference an lo rel to North Mizoram District Missions Field chunga atul na huna pianga work camp a na thoni se anti chu shileng in harsat na asiama wangin rem cha na zongin West Phaileng BL chunga phulpui Missions Field back in sakchom dolnan cheng singa District Missions Department a an hlan District Headquarters Local Missions Department hian August ni somhne pukwa Indrinizan Khan Tlangsang Biala Volunteer Pathian Rongbola Omek Unaw nu ma pe ki Tanpuina North Mizoram District Missions Department kaltangin Tanpuina anhlana Tanpuina tanjok na awangin District Missions Treasurer account na cheng sang red transfer in Tlangsang Bial du Pastor ke aino na hena thontha ngal ane August ni somhne pukwa Indrinizan Khan Tlangsang Bial Sailut khwa Unaw nu ma pe ki Rongbol na kaltangin mithar nu pakhat le afate pathum member pali chu Pentecost kaushana lomlu anni heng mithar nei te hi pathian remrod ni in rongbol tu ma pe ki hian mithar lal pa pek chungchanga tharma kholama rongbol na sial tu ani arin thu asoi ani August ni somhne pathum pathian ni khan reng dil bia si thianga Pentecost kaushana loi turin mithar pakhat senglu ani mithar hian evangelist Evelyn Biangnia kuta swanga damna baptist malal pa iswaming na changhala hun enge mochen atang khan si thiang kaushana hian evangelist Evelyn Biangnian rongbol na anei meka lalpan a rongbol na mal asom hle ani August ni somthum pathiani khan North Mizoram District Missions Field South Chimluanga member thar pakhat nein rongbol tu evangelist il rongbol zelan lomdu tin suangai damna baptisma achantir ngalbok District Conference in Apas North Mizoram District Hwam chungaram langbe pui thak chu District malang na in ngor takanei chauzel ni in tundin huna North Mizoram District hian District biale local baka mimal chomin tirko somli chuang tir chwa ani a kumin January atanga August chung khan mithar somsari bathum rongbol tu de rongbol na kaltlangin nei ani to ani Pastor Cordes sak sumhana audit nei North Mizoram District Building Committee Rorelin and District Hwam chunga Pastor Cordes sakzo to sumhandan audit ni se ati angin Auditor Tura Ruat Reverend Silaram Thangale Reverend Sil Tanchu ati chuan August ni somhni panga thole ni atang khan audit an nei tran audit tho khat na hi konpui Pastor Cordes sakzo tak ka nein tuang takin an zawa August ni somhni paruk ni lai ni khan a tho ni na nei le in dur tlang Pastor Cordes sakmek summan na audit nei thung ani August ni somhni pathum pathian ni khan lengpui bial dap chwa kaushana mithar chung ko khat member pathum omna Pentecost kaushana hemhuna rongbol omutwal upa mangai zwalan alom lut lengpui bial dap chwa rongbol tur hian mawbok bial missions department malang na in twal upa mangai zwala hi da ani a ani rongbol na le arwai tu bial mawbok baka abial nei tu lengpui bial de tho hona lalpan mal asoma tuna hian member chanhem thamtak omto in hemhuna hian lalpan akha tokin mithar apeveringa district in biak in asaksak bolo athe mai ani to bok ani mamit bial phaizau preaching point a rongbol om una pa ke pa zone chuan August ni somhni pathum pathiani khan Pentecost kaushana loi turin mithar pahni alom lut pathiani kalta August ni somhni pathum khan vaireng te bial North Chimlo preaching point a mithar chung ko khat member pali omna chu vaireng te pastor Reverend Kemal Somtwang and United Pentecostal Church of North East India aloi turin lali swamingin alom lut North Chimluang a hian North Mizoram District in Ramlak be pui thak thupuya ane bo zuya rongbol na nei mek na hmuna ni a he hmuna hen evangelist silal thamwanan rongbol na nein rongbol tu rongbol na kaltanga mithar nei te hi kaushan hoten an lo lom hle mithar lom lu ni tlai hian mithar lom na roi kil ho ani North Chimlonga hian biak in nei turin North Mizoram district chuan ma alamek bokani tlangsang bial chunga atulna piang alalpa rongbol na thoka in volunteer unaw nu valal peki rongbol na chuan ma son chhauzelin a rongbol na kaltangin August ni sompali kha mithar pahni nei ani a pastor ke ainon an suangai damna baptisma heng mithar te hi achantir ani baptisma changte hian zan in khoma tharau thianglin baptisma an changhal bok tin he zan in khom hilal panna thopui member pakhat thathum thi nei to lo kong le taina chu pathiana tanga damna changin pathiana hlim em ani tlangsang bial tlangsang kaushan church board committee te chuan August ni sompanga inrini zan khan rongbol na kau ki shanga chakjok le tharau zo ka rong an bol thenan tlangsang biak ina intuai tharna an neya bial tu pastor ke aino na hawa nei ani he baka hian August ni sombruk pathiania tlangsang biak ina avek church board member zongjong baka kaushan department in OB bial department OB tlangsang aloi le bial pui OB tlangsang aloi tem bial tu pastor hovin intuai tharna an nei le bok North Mizoram district lang no bial de chuan bial in kalphunga an nei an bial chunga biak in sate an thei ang an pui thin chu kalpui chunjom zelin August ni somparu khan bial missions department de chuan lungleng wan biak in le samtlang biak in sakbek polin cheng sing hi sangthum za somnga ve an pe kaushan pani te sumhlan na hian bial du pastor la rat ki mafanai chuan hovin tu soina anei ba ka tlang no bial missions director evangelist silaram ngai zwala bial missions secretary evangelist J Valeradale bial missions treasurer evangelist arrang tramaten thuan soi bogani biak in saktan puina kaushan pani lungleng wan le samplang kaushan ten andona shwai tu de chuan lom thulal i swamingin an soi Longtlai West district rongbol na chanchin district chunga ramud rongbol na kalpui zela August ni somhi panga atangani somthung chung khan evangelist Henry H Ramthiang himale rongbol tulal duki maten tuidang chua member thar pariat kaushana senglu anni a mithar te hi August ni somthum khan evangelist Henry H Ramthiang himan kaushana senglu ta mi pathumin suangai damna baptisma an changhal August ni somthum pakhat pathiani jinga chung ko khat member paruk omna chu evangelist Henry H Ramthiang lima vekhian tuidang chua Pentecost kaushana loi turin asenglut le bok August ni somni pakhat atangni somthum chung khan Darnam Tlanga District Missions Director Reverend R. Lalbiak Trauma Upa H. Lalfak Zelale Rongbol tu George Lal Ompuyate Ramuin and Fe Chwaka an Rongbol na kaltangin member thar somni zet kaushana senglu anni Mi Somin Missions Director Reverend F. Lalbiak Trauma kuda swanga inam na baptisma an changa Pastor Kelal Zomsang abial du pastorin naw paruk ahlan bok Reverend F. Lalbiak Trauma Director Missions Department Havanei ani a Upa H. Lalfak Zela College Vengle Rongbol tu George Lal Ompuya Council Vengten Antroy Om ani August ni somni pathum pathiani khan bathuam pui bial chikhur lui kaushana mi parukin Pastor Bilal biak chunga kuta swanga idamna baptisma changin member thar pathum kaushana senglu anni a naw pani ahlan bok August ni somni pathum pathiani vekhian Longtlai College venga district secretary bial du pastor ni bok Reverend Lal Somle na sailo chan nawhlan rongbol na le baptisma rongbol na aneya naw pakhat hlanin mi pariatin baptisma an chang ani Longtlai West district chunga Rammutha August chunga member thar senglu te Darnam Tlanga somni tuidang chua sompali dunghau ka pakwa sabol tlanga pariat lai tlanga pariat Saizo East a pali chongtepi a pathum chikhurlui a pathum Longtlai Bazar lokala pani anvain mi somsari pakhat anni district puipa te tunkaram program district secretary treasurer Reverend Lal Somle na sailo chan mampui lokala pathiani mangin rongbol na aneyang Missions Director Reverend F. Lalbiak Trauma chuan dil tlang sau biala ramlak bai pui thlakin rongbol na aneyani August ni somni pakhat zirtomni khan Longtlai West District Dambu Drafting Committee Truth ani a malak zel dan turte soi ho ani Churachandpur District rongbol na chanchin thar ngai thavele ila Churachandpur District chunga pastor de chuan shipui lengkara po atheiang angin rongbol na ankalpui mek zela Pangzol section pastor Reverend K. Ramdina chuan August ni somthuma September ni chung khan kaushan in ko kwalin damlo tongtrai sakna aneya mi pathumin choble chilin damna an chang ngal Parbung section pastor ngam kholal po in cho karti retang khan bial chung fangin rongbolna anei mek bok Churachandpur district office to containment zone sila a umma wangin khari ani Chimtui district rongbol ne chanchin September ni kha thole ni khan district committee room a Chimtui district constitution amendment board meeting nei ani a he meeting hian district constitution clear hawin belngai te belin siam that ngai lai te asiam thabok district constitution amendment board member te chairman evangelist V John secretary upa H Ramluna member te Reverend Joseph L Thauthang Reverend W L Thangshwe Reverend Kholi Licha Reverend Dr. C. C. Mole, Reverend C. Satin Kapate, Anni. August ni somthum Pathiani Khani o Atlang Kaushana Chung Kokhat, member Pariati to Pentecost Kaushana Loy to Rimbial the pastor, Vila Limpuyan Kaushana, Aseng Lut. Shipuileng Kara, no Pangtiti Purnale, Talen Hai Chwana Atana, Chimtui District PCD 10 live record home singing competition and Boasai to Zoni in September Nikhat Thorten Zan Khan Chimtui District Penet YouTube channel Changin result hip 1 ane. Inti Siak Lomandong te category 1 Kumsom Pakhat Chunglam Pakhat na Judy H Vanal Malsom Kimi Kumsom Pakhat daughter of Rongbol to S Vanal Vena district headquarters local. Panina Melissa Arwal Chingpui Kumsom Pakhat daughter of Ricky Larin Chwana Neo Atlang local. Pathumna Zonun Tuangi Kumsom Pali daughter of Cross Mangaya Neo Atlang local. Category 2 Kumsom Chin Nwailam Pakhatna Sophia Langhagrangi Kumriat daughter of Ricky Larin Chwana Neo Atlang. Panina Chong Thanzwali Kumsom daughter of Ebenezer Lal Ompuya Siahatla local. Pathumna Travis Vilal Shwaisanga Kumkwa son of Upa Vilal Nihaka Mesatla local. September ni ruk pathian ni hian henglom mandong tu ten hena hian kalchilin an semdon ani. September ni ruk pathian ni hi Chimtui district chunga kumtina an manchin thaithar kut pathian ni ani a district chunga twal chung kaushan chang te chuan ma ni rem chandan angin an manglom don ani. August ni somthum inri ni kham pastor L Ngagliana South Lungpher pastor chuan am pastor quarters saknathar bulletin na turlung phuma hemini atang hian quarters sakna tan ngal ani. Aizawl East district rongbol ne chanchin Aizawl East district chunga bia shanga ruang manna angchuan September ni som pakhat atang ni som pathum chung hian Bial Sunday School in Khompui man hun tur ani a kumina ero shileng me ka wangin Bial Sunday School in Khompui hi kumdang anga manchin angin man the ani don lo. Bial enge moza chuan rorel in khom chau nei turin ruang manna an siama rorel in khoma hi Ardan Siam Zom Tunga Kalpui Turin Anin Rahman Hlom. August Ram Mutha Rongbol na Kalzela Aizawl East District Tunga Mitharle Baptism Changthar nei Belzelani. August ni somthum Pathiani Khan Bethlehem Kaushana Bel du Pastor le Bethlehem Kaushan Malang na in Reverend VL Nem Tonga District Treasurer Speaker Mangin Thalai te tan thuthung poi mo na ti mangin zirtir na nei ani a Tusoizwa baptisma khur honni in heta hian mi somni in swanga idam na baptisma an chang ani anjinga hian mithar pakhat kaushan danga tengin atelbok August ni somthum pathiani vekhan thram bui bel du pastor Reverend KVL mangai ki machuan monaveng kaushana naw pakhat lanin kaushan danga tengin mi pakhat swanga idam na baptisma achantir bok bokon kaushana po August ni somni buruk ni laizan khan baptisma khur honni in Mi pali in Bial du Pastor Reverend C. Moizwala Kuta Swanga idam na baptisma an changthara anjinga hian ring lo mi Hindu atengin mi pakhatin swanga idam na baptisma hi achang bok ani. Bongkon Biala hian evangelist Lal Amen chuan Ramutla hian rongbol na anei ani. August ni somthum pakhat thorchan zan khan rabung Bial rabung vengchak kaushana loi turin mithar pakhat sengdu ani bok. Rabung Biala hian evangelist H. Lalbiak Zavan rongbol na anei ani. District OB meeting chuan Ramutla Khan district in Achorlai evangelist sepo henghuna ti hian rongbol turin atir chuak evangelist H Lalbiak Zawa chu rabunga evangelist V Kamne thanga Khozol Bial Ngaizola evangelist H Malsom thanga Bethlehem Bial Bethlehem Veng thanga evangelist Arvan chunga Upper Republic Bial College Venga evangelist Lal Amena Bongkon Biala Nalan headquarters Kaushana loi una pa PC siam liana ti chungkwa chuan an loina headquarters Kaushana bong patuai an hlan Beldu Pastor Arlel Fam Kimale Charge Board Member de John August ni somthum pakhat Thorjan Zingkar Khan Bongkhel Bengin Pathian Hena Hlanale apitu chung kwa de tan ma som tong trai sakna an nei ani he bong patwa hi nalan headquarters kaushan de hian anvul ri anga nalan bial thau khwang pha kaushan de pon tuna hian anvul mek bok ani ole khadizong khadun tumata na UPC North East India kaushan rongbol na chanchin thar kan thlir lengai thak haule theite ni e